Merits of globalization. First, flow of knowledge. The electronic communication system led to flow of knowledge and diversity of alternative voices and opinions to be heard and assessed. Second, employment opportunities. MNCs have brought thousands of job opportunities in developing and underdeveloped countries. The outsourcing by developed countries also have increased job opportunities. Third, flow of capital. The flow of capital and superior technology help the developing countries to improve their infrastructure and industrialize themselves. Fourth, improvement in living standards. The MNCs give handsome salaries to its employees. With this, the living standard improved and lifestyle also changed. This forced the domestic industry to hike the salary of the employees also. Fifth, free movement of labor. Globalization encouraged free movement of skilled workers to developed countries and semi-skilled workers and laborers to developing countries. Example, Gulf countries. Sixth, beneficial to consumers. Globalization promotes competition. Competition emphasizes on satisfaction, efficiency, improvement in quality and reasonable prices. As a result, consumers best quality goods at reasonable prices. For example, call rates of mobile phones. Seventh, isolation absent. Reduction in trade barriers has resulted in free flow of trade as well as capital. As a result, no state can remain isolated. Eighth, economic recovery. There was stagnation in the economy, but due to globalization, there was economic recovery. Ninth, global citizens. Individuals are regarding themselves as global citizens. Customers are concerned with quality and price of the products and not from where it comes. Demerits of globalization. First, domestic companies closed. The MNC system of cutthroat competition as well as advanced technology makes it difficult for domestic companies to survive. For example, people tend to shop at malls because everything is available at one place, that is, food, grocery, vegetables, dress materials, etc. Second, unemployment. MNCs shift their activities to developing countries where labor is cheap, or they outsource their work to developing countries. As there is a change in technique of production, highly skilled persons get jobs. The relocation, closure of companies or retrenchment due to cost-cutting measures lead to unemployment. Third, domination. Through advertisements promoted Western consumerism and values. This resulted in cultural imposition and domination. For example, There is craze for soft drinks, Western brands of clothing, cosmetics, music, dance, etc. As a result, the distinct identity of certain cultures may be forgotten. Fourth, harmful to developing countries. The developing countries are not in a position to take benefits of open market because they lack the infrastructure like industry, electricity, health, etc. The maximum advantage of expanding trade goes to developed countries, as most of the rules of world trade are meant for them. For example, India finds it difficult to meet set by European food laws. Fifth, commercial. In which language emerged as a global language, which undermined the regional languages. For example, instead of studying in regional languages, children are sent to English medium schools. It became a norm, matter of prestige, and a ladder to success. There is commercialization of education because education is regarded as a product sold by educational institutions and purchased by students. Moreover, there is overemphasis on market-oriented courses which undermines the study of natural science and humanities. Sixth, environmental risk. Globalization has made us aware that developing and underdeveloped countries have become a backyard for dumping waste and also a flourishing market for their unwanted products, thus endangering people's life and environment. Seventh, MNCs dominate domestic and foreign policy. The MNCs purchase agricultural land through threat or money power. They establish companies and earn huge profits which is transferred to their respective mother states. They exploit the natural resources and influence the decision-making process in the host country. Eighth, adopting wrong methods. To improve the agriculture standards and boost exports, pesticides and other chemicals are used which are dangerous to human life. Animals are pumped with hormones to increase milk productivity, which endangers animals, which in turn affect human life. Ninth, role of state reduced. Government has withdrawn from many activities which are now in private hands. As a result, the welfare activities of the state has reduced, thus affecting the poor.